Hey guys, Assassin 1. I just saw Birds of Prey. Um, and it wasn't bad. It wasn't exactly great either. Um, I felt like you could definitely tell it was kind of a woman empowerment film, but at the same time, it wasn't exactly jammed in your face like some other movies. Um, and also, it I know this is probably gonna piss people off, but I felt like I was just watching a female version of Deadpool. Um, and Deadpool's an awesome movie. Uh, but if someone would ask me, what would you give this movie? 1 out of 10, I'd give it maybe a 4. It wasn't terrible, but at the same time, it didn't leave me with oh god, just make it end already. Um, you know, if you're a Harley Quinn fan, and you're a Margaret Robbie Harley Quinn fan, I'd say give it a shot. Um, and just you know, um, that's all. Assassin 1 over and out.